Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things, of course, that came out of the new Copilot+PC machines that have the Snapdragon X Elite is the promise of an amazing battery life. And that is something that a lot of reviewers are looking. They are, posting benchmarks. But there's a few reviewers that I look at that actually, rather than using a benchmark or a software that just does benchmarking, they actually use the machine, which is more of a real day-to-day life, how it's going to happen and work. And this is where it's interesting. It does seem that in laptops that have been coming out with the new Snapdragon, battery life is unfortunately not that great. And this has always been a big problem. When we look at Macs versus PCs, one of the things that definitely has been a huge difference is in the amount of time that your laptop is actually going to last when you're using it. And it's important because it's one of the things that if you have a laptop and need to use it on battery, is might decide, have you decide which one you might want to buy in the future. And there are reasons, we know that the Macs and Apple hardware is extremely efficient because it's all one thing. The difference between a Mac and a PC is simple. A Mac is a machine with the software done by Apple, all of it. So the software doesn't have to deal with 30 billion configurations. It deals with a machine it knows, and that can be tweaked to the extreme, which is always a problem with energy and efficiency in Windows PCs. So I've seen some of the reviewers giving out numbers, but the ones that are testing it real day-to-day life, using it as a work machine like they would do with any other laptops, seem to be very disappointing, giving 4, 5, 6 hours of battery life. My gaming laptop that I have right now, which has an AMD Ryzen 7, if I use on the battery and I use it mostly to do specific tasks that are not too demanding, I'll get 5 hours. But we would have expected with the new Qualcomm to get a lot more. And part of it, I think, shows that a big problem with the battery life still is Windows. Windows is not capable of giving a real efficient performance that, the operating system of Apple computers, because it has so many configurations, once again, to deal with, that it's a difficult thing. And a lot of Windows software, a lot of the code, still a legacy code. It's really difficult to bring this up to par. You would have to totally rewrite Windows to really make it efficient. So it's kind of sad, but it seems that battery life isn't really there. Performance is not too bad for, if we take out the gaming, for the most part, performance is good. Most people have reviewed the Snapdragon machines, say, no, performance is great, it's there. But the battery life is not. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.